You said there was some gadwalls in there?
Yeah,
I mean, mergansers.
A bunch of gadwall and mergansers. You could see the female you were talking about. And mergansers went off that way, and then gadwalls all came over here.
Not really.
Now,
Just full of briars. Yeah.
Ron, it's killing me because I know if we were at Real Foot, we'd already be on the Eagles right now. We just couldn't get over there this week. Mainly gadwalls for the most part. There's other stuff.
I'm gonna try to get that blackbird through these tree branches.
Get a good shot of him.
Yeah, the lighting's not real good. Little EV on that wouldn't hurt. Oh, yeah, you see his wing right there real good.
Yep.
That's a good shot. He was looking right at us.
Yep, he's posing.
Is that an F4 lander you got?
Uh-huh.
Yeah. Does that got a TC on it? Built in? A teleconverter?
No, I got a one added on, so 1.4.
So you're what? You're 800 or?
I think it's around 850.
850. Oops. Yeah.
There's another one down here.
Yeah, I see it. Is that a female or a male? Are you talking about the one right here?
Mm-hmm.
Wish he'd turn his head this way.
Oh, we got him. Nice.
Let's see if one of those is anything. You got some good detail on him. I'm about to throw my big rig away and go with this forever.
Really?
I'm telling you.
Oh, man.
With this lens on here, I mean, feel this. Just grab that.
Oh my God.
ain't nothing.
That is light.
When I go to the cove, Kate's Cove, this is what I take.
Huh.
You know, this is a crop sensor, so I've got 750 millimeters reach here.
And that's a 500 what?
500 PF they call it, Praise Professional.
That's amazing.
Yeah, I mean, I've had this lens for about four years, and I use it on my D500 because it's an F-mount lens.
Yeah.
But I've got it adapted to the mirrorless. And this is just a Z50 Mark II. This is a 20 megapixel D500 replacement.
Light as a feather.
Yeah, that's why I carry it like this. That's why I had debated what to bring today. Oh, I see it there in the tree.
Two of them next to that. Yeah.
Oh yeah.
They've got the rookery. Have you ever seen that rookery over there in Lakeshore Park? Have you seen that?
Yeah, we have to sample.
No shortage of them here. No shortage of them here. Oh, no. I saw a yellow one. It's so awkward. I so rifle search.